Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian, this is Papa50, and today you can't see her, but our new doggo is in the house. And she is just very oh wait, here she is. Here's Ahsoka. Oh, so cute. So cute. We just got her, so she's a lot of effort, but she shouldn't get too much in the way of making you guys videos. So today we have a Patreon special, CASCADA's Bad Boy, and we're gonna do live in Copenhagen, 25 May 2019. So having established all of that and said goodbye to Ahsoka, let's let's pop it.
You dance then! You better. You better. This track is one of the earliest of our Cascada tracks. Bit of an old school thing today.
Cascada? Okay,
I hope you guys enjoy
Cascada.
this next song. It's called Bad Boy. Remember the feelings. Remember the day. My stone heart was breaking. My love ran away.
I would totally remember the day.
I knew I would be someone else. My love turned around and I fell. Here we go! Be my bad boy, be my man, be my weekend lover, but don't be my friend. You can be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you in my life again.
I don't need you in my life again. Oh no! It's got a cool beat to it. You can shake your ass to this one.
Be my bad boy, be my man, be my weekend lover, but don't be my friend. You can be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you again. No, I don't need you again. Who recognizes this track? Get
I
those
don't.
hands in the air for me, come on.
I could totally jam to this in the King Club on that unnamed hill in Itaewon in 1993. It was Hooker Hill. It was called Hooker Hill.
Once made this promise to stay by my side, but after some time you just pushed me aside. You never thought that a girl could be strong. Now I'll show you how to go on.
Nice. I'll show you how to go on. Yeah, okay. Oh, Ahsoka is very needy for attention today.
How's it going? Be my bad boy, be my man, be my weekend lover, but don't be my friend. You can be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you in my life again. Won't you be my bad boy, be my man, be my weekend lover, but don't be my friend. You can be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you again.
I don't need you. Of all people, again.
No, I don't need you.
All that jumping, man. Her calves are stronger than mine will ever be or have ever been. Well, that was pretty fun, actually, and it's a rather good point. You didn't think people were strong, but we'll show you how it works. And I think that's worth a 4. I could get out there. I could move. I could move rather rapidly to that. I would be energetic with that one. Don't walk away, Ahsoka. Come back. Come back. Let's go. I'm gonna show everybody. Everybody want to see Ahsoka? First, say thanks to everybody here, and then Ahsoka's here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on up. Say hi. Say hi to Ahsoka. Say hello, my new pal. She's awesome. Keep popping, babies.